Hi everyone, back here again for another video. Hope you're all doing well and safe. So, let me share with you why I got this iPad Pro and why I didn't wait for the new iPad Air. I personally have 3 specific use cases for this iPad. So, let's get into it. First off, I like writing and journaling in my iPad. I created the new bullet journal layout and I'm so happy with it. Maybe next time I'll show it to you guys if you're interested. Also, I like to draw even if I'm not good at it at all. I'm a frustrated artist and I will continue to draw, hoping and dreaming to get better one day. So, I want to do it on a better iPad. The responsiveness of the pencil is a bit better, I guess, than the iPad Air 3, but for now I don't see a very big difference. I don't care if my drawings are ugly, I'll still show it to you. It's a bit of a challenge for me to get ideas of what to draw, so I decided I'll draw stuff I like about Bangkok. If you have tips on how to come up with drawing ideas, please tell me in the comments section down below. Oh, and I mentioned in my last video that I was very lucky to receive as a birthday gift the 2nd Gen Apple Pencil and the Smart Case. I did not expect to receive these 2 gifts, so thank you to you, you know who you are, but when I got it, I took it as a sign that I should get the iPad Pro. Second reason why I got the iPad Pro is the camera. Apple claims this as the best camera they've ever had on an iPad. Since I'm making YouTube videos, I'm hoping to use the iPad's camera for a second shooting angle in my videos. In fact, I have used this in my A Day with my iPad Air 3 video. Here are some clips. I don't really take photos using the iPad, but today I did some tests to show you guys how it looks like. I took these photos on the same position using the wide and ultra-wide camera. The photos are sharp on the wide camera and it's okay on the ultra-wide with a bit of noise, but still turned out okay. Good lighting will give you great photos. I took this photo of my plant because I wanted a minimalist wallpaper on my iPad where I only have the photo on the right side, and I love the outcome of this. Now I have a good thumbnail for this video. My third reason is the storage. My iPhone and iPad Air 3 only have 64 gigabytes. Storage runs slow fast, especially for my iPhone, since I use it to do my YouTube videos. Now I can easily airdrop it to my iPad Pro and free up the storage in my iPhone. The 128 gigabytes is just right for me. I think the 256 gigabytes will be too much and too expensive. So what do I like or don't like so far from the iPad Pro since using it for over a month now? First, I like the screen. It is really good. You really literally see the high quality of this device through the screen. The 120Hz ProMotion display makes the experience really good and amazing. This is one thing that I noticed that's really the big difference with the iPad Air 3. I also like the Apple Pencil. The weight is good and similar to the screen, it feels high quality. Having it magnetically stick on the side of the iPad, I just love it. It's just an ease to use. And bonus for me, it does not roll off my desk. What I don't like much is that I feel the battery drains faster compared to my iPad Air 3. Though, looking at my battery usage history, it can last for more than 6 hours of screen time. Still, not as long as the iPad Air 3, but I think it's due to the higher quality screen display. I have to observe more, and maybe I will do another a day in the life with my iPad video to see. What I like about the iPad Pro though is that the charging is pretty fast. Thanks to the USB charger. In the iPad Air 3, the battery drains slower, but the charging is really slow too. Lastly, I really like the louder speakers. It makes me enjoy more watching videos. And also, I like the mic. In fact, I'm using the iPad Pro's mic to record all the audio for this video. So I think I made a good investment on this iPad Pro, same feeling I had with my iPad Air 3. I intend to keep this and use this for a long time and continue making videos. So that's it. Thanks for watching.